Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Channel. I'm Alexander and this is
Addison. What if you said camel?
So as you can see, I have a mixed up Rubik's Cube. Are you ready to see how fast I can solve this? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wrong one. Boom. Solved. So, now I'm going to go get another Rubik's Cube, and Addison's going to solve it. Bye.
I'm scared. Wow, he's taking forever. I'm serious. He's taking like 5 minutes. And forever.
Boom. So, as you can see, I have another Rubik's Cube. It's mixed up the same. I got 2 of them, and I mixed them up both the same, just for me and Addison. So, Addison?
That's the same way you did last time.
I know. So, are you ready to solve this? 3, 2, 1. There you go.
I'm also confused. I'm always confused when I solve Rubik's Cubes because they're like, this is like the easiest way to do it.
Boom. So, as you can see, she just solved it.
Ba-do-ba-do.
Don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment down below Rubik's if you've solved a Rubik's Cube before. If you haven't, that's okay. You can keep trying.
and we might show you a tutorial video. If you think we should do that, comment down below and share with friends. Bye.